Hey, all right, guys. Welcome to 100 Days of Python Code, Day 3. Today, I'm going to see if I can find a tutorial and execute my first Python code. And we need to find something I can do with Python. Python basic first tutorial. Your first program. That sounds good. Gary, I'm looking forward to seeing your content, Gary. Oh, excellent. Looks like he knows what he's talking
Hello there,
about.
I'm Gary Sims, and this is Gary Explains. Now,
Which ID are you using here? You're not using an ID, you're using Notepad. Good job, Gary.
Then over here on the left, in this shell area, you'll see...
Okay, shell. Gonna have to mute you, Gary. Alright, so, yep, alright. Guess string. Input, take a guess. Okay, so they're gonna guess. Okay, I get this. It's a guessing game. Print, well done, that's right. Running else if false. Blah, 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 blah. Gary, 6 minutes. Looks like a great tutorial. There it is working. Okay, Gary, let's hear it. Let's hear you say how your program works.
We try a smaller number. So run the module again. I don't know, 1. Try a bigger number, 10. Try a smaller number. Good, so we know that works. Okay, 6. Okay, 7, 8... 9, well done, you got it right. Now, of course, this program does no error checking. Typed in the word, Fred, then it just crashes. Always error.
It doesn't even say not a number. Okay, nan, JavaScript. Why not? Why not? Oh dear, that's not good. So how do we put in that, Gary? Gary, how do we do error checking, Gary? All right, Gary, have you put your code somewhere? You have. You put your code in here. Okay, great. Now, 100 Days of Python. I've got a folder here. Make a new folder. Gary Explains. Guess game. Have I made a new file or a new folder? I'm going to go in here and create a new file. And what is it? Main.py? Is that what we call things? Paste in there. Now, at the bottom here, it knows that it's Python. Auto detect Python. That's great. It knows on the bottom left here, Python 388, conda base, whatever. Discovering Python interpreters. Okay. So is this the code? Is this all I need to run? Run without debugging. Are you going to do something? Are you going to do something? So far, I've restarted the PowerShell. Conda activate base. Oh, right, no, it's been run virtually. So let's run that again, and I did tell it not to run it virtually. Invalid syntax. And LT, I think my copy and paste has done something here. Let's go back to Gary's example. Gary, did you mean to put this in? Let's look at the code. It is actually elif. Elif, that's else if. And it's less than. Elf if guess less than n. Go back to the code. This is not end LT. This is less than n. If is less than n, try a bigger number, else try a smaller number. Let's see, does this work now? Gary, if this works, oh my days, it works. So take a guess 1, try a bigger number, take a guess 9, take a smaller number 5, 6, 8, that's it. Awesome, Gary. Thank you so much for the tutorial. That's great work. Thank you, Gary. That was a great tutorial. Helped me get my first program in just a few minutes. Very happy with that. Well done. Easy now.